This is Jackie with Quick Flip Decor. Are you harboring a guilty secret? Do you have a love for purple that you're trying to hide? Well, this week we're covering a passion for purple. Is take what we have here, use a couple of things, and bring in our purple. I found this cushion cover, and it has a little bit of purple in it. Now, I was able to convince myself to purchase it because it has very many colors. It has some green and yellow and reds and oranges, just what I need for all my other decor ideas. So, the basis you would need, and most importantly, is this. Because we are all wanting to buy that beautiful velvet purple sofa. But if you're like me and on a budget quite like the average musician, you're gonna go with a throw. Not so much to invest in. So one throw. What about your clothing? Do you have anything that's purple? This is actually purple camisole. Now I've tucked it in and have big stitches so that if you want to wear it again, you can quickly undo the stitching and put it on. Now, do you have anything fun and fancy? Purple is the time to bring things out. And here is our fun thing that we'll put on the ottoman. I've got this. You could use a shawl or a scarf, and I'm going to decorate the ottoman with this as well. And I also have a little candle garden, which I will explain later. Okay, just give me a couple of moments. I will quickly flip the sofa and the cushions and the ottoman. Be right back. Okay, so it took me more time to get the purple in my hair than to decorate the room. It takes barely anything at all. And we've got the pillows here, this pillow we had before, the purple at the back, sparkly cushion in the middle, and here we have a candle garden. Now, what I have done is I colored the water with a bit of food coloring to make this lilac color. If you're afraid of your vase being stained, you might not want to use your favorite one. Just some greenery from around. And here is the amethyst, which was the start of the whole purple phase for this year. And I have some quartz and different pieces of jewelry just to make this fun. Now you can make your candle garden out of anything. Now I suggest if you have small kids, your candle garden might just be made out of toys. Just like these are Charlie's toys. Hey Charlie! There we go. Got these for his birthday. Thank you for watching. This has been Jackie and Charlie Forsyth with Quick Flip Decor and a passion for purple. Friends, have a purple party and subscribe to us with Quick Flip Decor, a passion for purple.
There are many more videos on the Dave Forsyth Band channel, so please come on over and subscribe. We've got a few new ones coming up real quick, along with a few live feeds, so don't forget to check back regularly.